Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Dear friends, today we are going to learn about the story The Best Christmas Present in the World, taken from Honeydew, written by Michael Murphy. Michael Murphy is a British writer, author, and a poet. He is also award winning poet and author. He was born on October 5th, 1943. He was also a primary teacher in Kent. After he completed his graduation, he joined as a primary teacher. He has also written over 120 books. Let me introduce you some character in this story. Obviously, the story begins with the narrator, his author. Second character is Jim Macpherson. Jim Macpherson is a British soldier and his wife Connie. Mrs. Macpherson, she is an old woman of 101 years old. Another character is there, Hans Ulf is a German soldier, is a leader of German soldier. Even some words are mentioned in this story. There is a Fritz and Tommy. Fritz are the German soldier and Tommy means British soldiers. Let's learn what is the best Christmas present in the world in this story is there. Let's see. The story begins with a narrator. Once upon a time, narrator wanted to buy a desk that is called a roll top desk. So he went to a junk shop where he gets some uh, old furniture also, second hand. So he finds some roll top desk, but that is quite expensive. So he suddenly saw and spotted an old roll top box which was in worst condition, which was little burnt, which condition was also little was due to water. Its legs was also broken, but he thought if he could repair it, he will get it in less prices and in cheap price. So he purchased it and get it at home and try to restore it, try to repair it. While repairing, he opened some drawers. One of the drawer was stuck. It was difficult to take out. So he hit his fist to the roll top box and the drawer get loose and it's get it out. As you can say, as you can see in the picture, there is a drawer. In drawer, he found a small tin box, and in a box, he found an envelope of a letter on which written the last letter of Jim and to be buried with me. And this was the letter written by Jim Macpherson, and it was a letter for his wife Connie, Mrs. Macpherson. One address was also given on that. The address was a 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport, Dorset. Dorset is a marketplace in England. He wanted to reach that letter to its address, but due to curiosity, he wanted to know what is written inside the letter. So he started reading the letter, and he found the letter was begins with dearest Connie. Connie means Jim's wife. The letter was addressed to the Connie, and he came to know, he found what was written in the letter. He found in the letter that there is an incident was narrated, incident was depicted. The incident was that the Jim Macpherson, the husband of Connie, he was in the army, British army, and the period was 1914, the First World War. During that period, Germany and British were engaged in the war on the borders. It was Christmas evening, Christmas Day, 25th December. Both the armies were in their trenches. Trenches is the place where they take their positions. They were in their positions. Suddenly, Jim Macpherson, he saw the German army is waving white flag. White flag stands for peace. It's symbol of peace. They were waving it and they wanted to wish each other. So German army approached to them, come to them, and wish them Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. British army also wish them. They also respond in the same. They share their Christmas cake. They share their drink. They smoke. They laugh. They talk. They interact each other and share their feelings. While discussing, they decide to have a football match instead of having a direct war, because they also believe in peace. They feel that why we should kill each other, why we should make our children orphan, why should make our wives widow. So they decided to have a football match, and the winner team will be announced, the winner nation. So they played a football match, and in the match, the German won the match, and ultimately they are the winner nation. So this incident was narrated in the envelope. But Jim had also written when he was at home previous Christmas day. He said that after war he will return home, but long time has been passed. He is not returned home after the war, and so the narrator, after reading this letter, he decided to reach the letter to his destination. So he went to the written address, but he found no one is living there. The house was quite burned, and the lady, the Connie, who is 101 years old, now she is shifted to nursing home. So she go to there. Now Connie is quite old, so she is not able to watch. So when narrator goes to her, she, she mistaken narrator as her husband Jim, because once he had said that he will return for Christmas, because she, and due to her unable to watch, she mistaken narrator as her husband, and she, thank you, you came back, you returned, and this is the best Christmas present in the world for me. And this is the central idea, central theme of this story. I hope you might have liked it. During our next lecture, we will go through line wise and paragraph wise. By the time, good day, have a good time.